Hi everyone. Today we are going to watch an amazing video about the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is a series of fortifications that were built across the historical northern borders of ancient Chinese states and Imperial China as protection against various nomadic groups from the Eurasian steppe. Several walls were built from as early as the 7th century BC, with selective stretches later joined together by Qin Shi Huang, 220 to 206 BC, the first emperor of China. Little of the Qin wall remains. Later on, many successive dynasties built and maintained multiple stretches of border walls. The best-known sections of the wall were built by the Ming dynasty, 1368 to 1644. Watch this valuable video until the last second.
History of the Great Wall of China. The Chinese were already familiar with the techniques of wall building by the time of the Spring and Autumn period between the 8th and 5th centuries BC. During this time and the subsequent Warring States period, the states of Qin, Wei, Zhou, Qi, Han, Yan, and Songshan all constructed extensive fortifications to defend their own borders. Built to withstand the attack of small arms such as swords and spears, these walls were made mostly of stone or by stamping earth and gravel between board frames. The Great Wall of the Han is the longest of all walls, from Amit to near Yunwen to Liaodong. King Zheng of Qin conquered the last of his opponents and unified China as the first emperor of the Qin dynasty, Qin Shi Huang, in 221 BC. Intending to impose centralized rule and prevent the resurgence of feudal lords, he ordered the destruction of the sections of the walls that divided his empire among the former states. To position the empire against the Zhengyu people from the north, however, he ordered the building of new walls to connect the remaining fortifications along the empire's northern frontier. Build and move on was a central guiding principle in constructing the wall, implying that the Chinese were not erecting a permanently fixed order. Transporting the large quantity of materials required for construction was difficult, so builders always tried to use local resources. Stones from the mountains were used over mountain ranges, while rammed earth was used for construction in the plains. There are no surviving historical records indicating the exact length and course of the Qin walls. Most of the ancient walls have eroded away over the centuries, and very few sections remain today. The human cost of the construction is unknown, but it has been estimated by some authors that hundreds of thousands of workers died building the Qin wall. Later, the Han, the northern dynasties and the Sui all repaired, rebuilt, or expanded sections of the Great Wall at great cost to defend themselves against northern invaders. The Tang and Sung dynasties did not undertake any significant effort in the region. Non-Han dynasties also built their border walls. The Xianbai ruled northern Wei, the Khitan ruled Liao, Jurchen and the Tangut established western Xia, who ruled vast territories over northern China throughout centuries. All constructed defensive walls, but those were located much to the north of the other Great Walls as we know it, within China's province of Inner Mongolia and in Mongolia itself. Today we watched a video about the Great Wall of China. If you think this video is good, subscribe and like Travel with Liaoning YouTube channel and join us. Also share the video for your friend to watch. This will allow you to watch more valuable videos like this in the future. Thank you.